Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now we're still buzzing. All right, so a Florida man is going viral after defending his home from an alligator. Now Abdul Jean Malik, an army veteran, was taking out his trash this week when he was confronted by a snarling alligator. Let's take a look at how that turned out. A fool. Sorry, no, just cool.
That must be something he did before. I mean, I really think say the same.
Maybe him just familiar with how alligators move.
Operate.
Yeah.
Hey. Yo, I'm gonna tell you this.
It's a Philly brother too, you know. It's not come from Miami, you know, used to alligator.
Yeah, some Jamaicans out here who do that too, you know.
Yeah, man. With them hand.
Catch him quick and fast, man. Catch him quick and fast. Yeah.
Hey, I wouldn't surprise at nothing a yardie do. If me see a video go viral with a yardie or a box of alligator, shut your mouth. Well, I wouldn't surprise. We're different, you know.
What happens if he hit the alligator and the alligator closes his mouth?
Really?
Shut your mouth. Arr.
No, but this could have turned out bad too, you know. Don't feel like this couldn't turn out bad too, you know.
I was asking if you saw the video with the crocodile that was eating another 6-foot crocodile.
No, I never see it.
But then, hold on. A 6-foot crocodile is like our height, you know.
Yeah?
And another crocodile had it in his mouth.
What you say?
In his mouth, not in his belly.
Wow.
So imagine the size of that crocodile.
Wow.
Yeah.
No, sir.
Quite so.
Me cut. Me not for that.
Hey, no.
No, sir.
I are not on that.
No, sir.
I are. Now, here we Now, this is a story now. Jens Hening, a Danish artist who was commissioned by the Kunsten Museum in the western city of Aalborg to reproduce 2 works using the cash, Danish kroner and euros to represent the annual salary in Denmark and Australia. But the museum's director, Lasse Andersen, said 2 days before the opening of the exhibition, we got an email from Jens telling us he won't be showing the works we agreed on.
Now, the artist was true to his word. He pocketed the money and sent back blank canvases with a new title, Take the Money and Run. Mr. Anderson said that he laughed out loud and decided to show the works anyway in the museum's modern art exhibition that opened on September 24th.
He said they have a humoristic approach and they were a reflection of how we value work. Now, Hening, who is 56 years old, defended keeping the money, saying the artwork is essentially about the working conditions of artists.
I agree with him. Take the money and run.
Yo, not only did he take the money, he sent back the blank canvases
Yeah.
and said, take the money and run.
Them fool. Them tell the man to create a work with the money reflecting the conditions and the salary. So if the man feel like people not getting paid enough, he do it exactly what it was very representative.
Anybody out here want me to recreate like?
Yeah, you know? No, but me I wonder if them did want him actually use the cash to make the artwork. Or that's what I couldn't understand from the whole story.
I think they paid him.
The actual cash.
No, actually, I think they paid him. I think they paid him for him to create something like that.
Oh, right. So they did want him to use the cash, the actual cash, to do something. But him smart. All right, if somebody give me money and tell me, if you use the actual money and create a piece of artwork.
Well,
I don't
that's
do them,
500 euro?
A euro them with.
Like, where's that painting?
No, man, that in them pocket. You hear the man say, take the money and run.
So this is just a picture?
Yeah, you get a picture. You get a picture. Him get the money. Him get the money.
You get a picture. You get a picture. Everybody gets a picture.
Everybody get a picture.
The money.
Yeah. I agree. I applaud it. I don't do the same thing. Sorry, I never think about it first. Can nobody not do that?
Is that dishonest or that's just in the gray area?
No, man, it's an artist, man. Them pay the artist for him creative.
And the man creates something.
Yeah, and them create. There you go. On that note, Daytime Live will be right back and we're going to be talking to social media star Julie Mango. We're so far. I wonder if she take the money and run too. No, she never run. She there.
Julie.
Hail Julie.